In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Telegram private channel without link. So if you want to join a private Telegram channel and you don't have the link, then what you need to do is find the admin for that private Telegram channel. So once you find it, just go ahead and message that admin. And as for me, I'm going to message the admin to the group. Just type in, I would like to join your Telegram channel. Is that possible? Thank you. This is the only way to join Telegram private channel without link. So once you're done typing, just tap the send button. And then wait for the person to reply back to you, and hopefully you will be able to join that private channel. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.